Sum or difference of squares. Let us read algorithm. First step is duplexes of the given numbers are written in parts, one below the other. Friends, we know duplex method of squaring. You are going to use the same method. Duplexes of the given numbers are written in parts, one below the other. You can calculate duplexes from right to left or left to right. For example, if two-digit number A, B are two digits in a given number, you can calculate the duplexes from right to left or left to right, no matter, as per your convenience. Second step is, after writing the duplexes of those numbers, write those duplexes, those numbers, one below the other in the parts, and vertical addition is done and written in respective parts. Step number 3. Starting from right side, extra digits are passed to immediate left part. Leftmost part may contain more than one digit. So let us practice these examples. First example is 21 squared plus 43 squared. Now friends, let us find the squares of these two numbers by using duplex method. How to use duplex method in the sum or differences of the square? See, you can calculate the duplex of given number from right to left or left to right. I like to do it from right to left. So 21, let us write the duplex of 21 first in order to square it. So starting from right to left, duplex of 1. Okay, see, this is D for duplex of 1, right? Duplex of 1 in first part from right side. Now include this second digit from right side. Now consider these two digits, calculate the duplex of these two digits, that is duplex of 21. Now there are two digits only in a given number, and we have calculated the duplex of these two digits, 2 and 1, 21. Now let us exclude first digit from right side, that is 1, and consider only last digit from right side, which is 2 here. Calculate the duplex of 2. Now same process is applied here, same procedure is applied here. See, starting from right side, right to left, duplex of 3. We will write duplex of 3 in the first part, below duplex of 1. Now include second digit from right side, which is 4. Calculate the duplex of 4 and 3, that means 43. Now we have covered two digits in a given number, so let us exclude first digit from right side and consider second digit from right side, which is 4. Calculate duplex of 4 and write in third part below duplex of 2. So let us calculate the values of these duplexes and write here. Okay, see, duplex of 1 is 1 squared, that is 1 only. Duplex of 2 digits, how to calculate duplex of 2 digits? Twice the product of these two digits, that means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, that means 4. Duplex of 2 or duplex of single digit is calculated by squaring that digit. 2 squared is 4 plus. Now duplex of 3, 9. Duplex of 3 means square of 3, which is 9. Duplex of 43, two digits, 4 and 3. How to calculate duplex of two digits? 2 times product of these two digits, means 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, right? 24. Now duplex of a single digit, square of that digit, 4 squared is 16. So friends, let us add 1 plus 9, 10, write 10 in first part below 1 and 9. Second part, 4 plus 24, 28. Write 28 in second part. Third part, 4 plus 16, that means 20. Now friends, it is time to pass extra digits, if any, to its immediate left and start this process always from right side, right to left. Consider first part, retain units place digit 0 and pass tens place digit to its immediate left, which is 28. 28 plus 1, passing means adding, 29. Now this 29 is second part. Now come to this part only, come to second part only. Retain units place digit 9 and pass tens place digit 2 to its immediate left, 20. Pass it. Passing means adding. 20 plus 2 is 22. Now we have done this process. Now let us write final answer. Write leftmost part as it is. Leftmost part may contain more than one digit. So write leftmost part as it is, write 22 as it is. Neglect this 2, we have already passed it here. Write units place digit, retained digit 9. From third part, neglect this 1 and write units place digit, retained digit 0. 2290, that means 2290. So let us write answer 2290. Okay, 2290. That means 21 squared plus 43 squared is equal to 2290. So let us solve next example, but please friends, write these steps. I have written this algorithm for you to write it. Okay. Second example, 73 squared plus 107 squared. Okay, so friends, let us write the duplexes starting from right side, right to left. Duplex of 3. Duplex of 3. Do you know friends what we are doing? We are calculating the square of 73 by using duplex method and we are writing the answer in parts. So we have written duplex of 3 here. Now join, include second digit from right side, which is 7. Now consider these two digits 7 and 3, 73. Duplex of 73, 7 and 3. Now exclude 3 and consider 7 only. Duplex of 7. Now friends, let us calculate the square of 107 by using duplex method and write the answer in parts. Write the answer in parts. So starting from right side, right to left. Duplex of a single digit, rightmost digit, which is 7. Duplex of 7. And write it below duplex of 3 in the first part. Now join second digit to 7. There are two digits 0 and 7. We will calculate the duplex of 0, 7. Now include third digit from right side. Now there are three digits 1, 0 and 7. So we will calculate the duplex of 1, 0 and 7. Now we have covered three digits in a given number 107. Now it is time to exclude. Exclusion phase begins now. Exclude first digit from right side and consider these two digits only, 1 and 0. So let us write duplex of 1, 0. Now exclude second digit, that means 0, and consider last digit, that is 1. Calculate duplex of 1. Now friends, let us calculate these duplexes. Duplex of 3, 9. Duplex of 73. 2 times the product of these two digits. 7 3s are 21. 21 multiplied by 2. 42. Duplex of 7. 7 squared, 49. 49. Now let us calculate the duplex of 7. Duplex of 7, 49. Write 49 below this 9 in the first part. Duplex of 0, 7, two digits, So 2 times 0 multiplied by 7, that means 0. Now calculate the duplex of 107, 3 digits. So 2 times the product of two end digits, 2 times 1 multiplied by 7, that means 14. 2 times 1 multiplied by 7 means 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 7. Okay, 2 times the product of two end digits plus middle digit squared, but middle digit is 0. So 2 times 1 multiplied by 7, that means 14. Write 14 in third part below 49. Now duplex of 10, that means 10. 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 0, that means 0. Duplex of 1, 1. Duplex of single digit is square of that digit. Now friends, we have calculated all the duplexes. Now let us add the numbers in each part vertically. So 49 plus 9, 58. 42 plus 0, 49 plus 14, 3, 6. Okay, 63. 0 as it is, 1 as it is. Now third step is passing extra digits if any, and you have to start this process from right side. So starting from right side, consider rightmost part 58. Retain units place digit 8 and pass tens place digit 5 to its immediate left, which is 42. Passing means adding. So 42 plus 5, 47. Retain units place digit 7 and pass tens place digit 4 to its immediate left, which is 63. So 63 plus 4, 67. Retain units place digit 7 and pass tens place digit 6. 0 plus 6, 6. There is only single digit, so no need to make any changes, no need to pass. We are going to retain units place digit, that is 6 in this part only, and write 1 as it is. So friends, let us write answer. Write leftmost part as it is 1, write 6, write retain digit 7, write retain digit 7, write retain digit 8. Yes, 16778, that means 16,778 is answer. So let us write answer. 73 squared plus 107 squared is equal to 16,778. Third example, 98 squared minus 13 squared. Third example is 98 squared minus 13 squared. So friends, let us square these two numbers by duplex method, and for that let us write the answers in parts. In order to square both of these numbers, let us use duplex method and write the answers in parts. So consider first number 98, starting from right side, right to left. So first rightmost digit in 98 is 8. So let us calculate duplex of 8 and write. Now include second digit, which is 9, and consider these two digits 9 and 8. Calculate duplex of 98 and write in second part from right side. Now exclude first digit 8 and consider second digit 9. Calculate duplex of single digit 9. Okay, and write in third part. Now friends, we have written the duplexes of first number 98 in 3 parts. Second number 13, right to left, starting from right to left, consider first rightmost digit, which is 3. Duplex of 3. Calculate duplex of 3 and write it in first part below duplex of 8. Now join, include second digit, which is 1, and consider these two digits 1 and 3. Calculate duplex of 1 and 3, 13, and write it in second part below duplex of 98. Now Exclude first digit, units place digit 3 and consider tens place digit 1, second digit from right side, which is 1. Calculate the duplex of 1 and write it below duplex of 9 in third part. So let us calculate these duplexes. See, this is minus, okay. This is subtrahend. Now let us calculate the duplexes. Duplex of 8, duplex of single digit is square of that digit. Duplex of 8 is 64. Duplex of 98, duplex of 2 digits, 2 times the product of those 2 digits. 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 2. 9 8s are 72 multiplied by 2, 144. 144. Duplex of 9, single digit, that means square of that digit, 81. Now let us calculate duplex of this subtrahend. Duplex of 3, 9. Duplex of 13, 2 times 1 multiplied by 3, that means 6. Duplex of 1, 1 only. 1 squared is 1. This is subtrahend digits. So let us change the signs. Add. Yes. 64 minus 9. 55 and write answer in first part. 144 minus 6. 138. 81 minus 1. 80. Now friends, third step is let us pass extra digits if any to its immediate left part and start this process from right to left. So first rightmost part is 55. Retain units place digit 5 and pass tens place digit 5. Passing means adding. So let us add 5 to 138. 138 plus 5, 143. Now come to second part, this part only. Retain units place digit 3 and pass higher place digits 4 and 1. That means 14 to its immediate left. So pass 14 to 80. Passing means adding. Okay, 80 plus 14, 94. So we have passed extra digits in these parts. So write final answer. Write leftmost part as it is 94 because leftmost part may contain more than one digit. Now neglect this 14, we have already passed it here. Write retained digit which is 3. Neglect this 5, passed digit, and write retained digit which is 5. Answer is 9435. 9435. Okay, 9435. Let us write answer 9435.